What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Vet Dad YouTube channel. That's vet as in veteran, not veterinarian. I just want to take a brief second to kind of set this video up. I just got this Ninja Woodfire grill during Amazon Prime days. A little bit of a late Father's Day gift to myself, if you will. And we kind of are putting it through its paces this weekend. We did steaks on it last night. We smoked the steaks, and then we kind of finished them off, did a reverse sear type of cook for those. And then for breakfast this morning, we used the griddle plate, and I have some video of that. And then right now we're finishing it off. We're gonna do the air crisp function to do some wings. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I did want to point out here that this is the very first time using this grill for the steaks. We started out with smoking at 250 degrees. Now, very important note, lesson learned really from watching a bunch of other YouTube videos on this the grill, is that you cook to the temperature and not to a certain time period, especially for something like a steak. So I used the meter block, which was a Father's Day gift, so I'm probably going to be making a video about that soon. That was very helpful and allowed me to dial in the right temperature for the steaks. I like mine a little bit more on the medium rare side, and my wife is a little bit more of a medium person, so that just allowed us to get the right temperature there. The meat was cooked absolutely perfectly for both of us, and I did finish it off with a bit of a sear. Not the best cut of meat to do that, since it's not really flat like a regular ribeye or something, but lesson learned there. So this is preheating the grill now to get it up to the temperature for the sear, and you can see the smoke going on there. is the griddle plate. That was an optional accessory that I had to purchase separately, and I really enjoyed cooking some bacon and eggs for breakfast. We were able to fit almost the entire package of bacon from Costco onto the griddle at the same time. I did do the bacon first, and then did the rest of the bacon alongside some sunny side up eggs. It was a lot of fun. It made the whole backyard smell like breakfast. I really enjoyed it. I feel like every weekend I'm going to be out there cooking breakfast on the griddle. Not to mention other things that you can do, kind of hibachi restaurant style. It just seems like it's going to be so useful and so enjoyable to cook with the Ninja Woodfire grill.
more or less just the concept that he used to do this on air crisp mode at about 400 degrees for About 20 minutes is really all it takes. And just wanted to show you the two seasonings that we used. Half are lemon pepper, and half is this McCormick Smokehouse maple. So you heard the beep, and it's telling me that it's done. So let's see what we got. Actually, first I am going to do a spot temperature check on these. All right, here we go. Let's spot check some temperatures. So yeah, definitely say these are done. Give you a closer look at them here. There you go. It's that easy. Go ahead and turn everything off. All right, now let's take them inside and see what they taste like. All right, guys, here we go. Now it's time for the official taste test here. I got my trusty Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic, just in case they don't taste good. I'll start with a lemon pepper wing. I'll do this flat. It's got a lot of seasoning on it. Yeah, they're delicious. My wife, loitering around behind me there, she likes them like super crispy, like super burnt. So maybe cook them a little bit longer, maybe a little bit hotter next time, but these are just fine for me. So anyway, I hope this video gave you a lot of ideas for things that you can do with the Ninja Woodfire grill. There's 100 things additionally that I want to try. I want to make a video just briefly showing all the different accessories you can get for it. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I see myself being outside in the backyard cooking with this thing several times a week. So hopefully you got some value out of this, and we'll see you out there. Bye.